Sisters, number one, I would say ibadah. Marriage is ibadah. Number two, your husband is nothing but a big baby. So treat him like a big, fat, ugly baby. Alhamdulillah. Babies are cute, you can kiss them, you can hug them, you can cuddle them. You know, men are not like that. You know, all hairy and all that, you know. The mentality of men is different than the mentality of women. And it's based on human psychology, what they tell you, men are different. 20s, what do they look for? Physical appearance. Men, at the age from 20s, they're looking for a lady who is hot. Yani, a lady that's gorgeous. 30s, they look for someone who's intellectual. Someone that they can sit and talk to. Someone that they say, you know, I'm having this problem, you know, with my boss. I'm having this problem with my father. You know, what do you think? They need someone, you know, the man is like concerned and he's worried about his job, he's worried about the family, and he wants to talk to her and she's peeling potatoes and saying, you know, the baby, you know, today I changed 15 diapers. That age, 30 and over, up to 40, that's not what they hear. They want to hear someone who they can conversate with. 40 and over, men are looking for someone who will take care of them, who will cook for them, who will feed them, who will clean for them, who will make sure, someone who will make sure that he is enjoying his life.